What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today Nicole, aka the Roush, she's getting a couple little things done to her. Finally, for this car, I've got front wheel spacers. It's been bugging me the way the fitment is. There's a big gap between the fender and everything. I was just done with it, and it's lowered and everything too. I got 25mm spacers for the front because the rear has spacers and it's nice and flush. Let me show you really. So for the rear, as if you can see, it is lowered about a finger. And it's pretty flush. There's a 295 on this car, so I am going to be teaching my girlfriend how to install front spacers. Pretty simple, they're not that hard. I can't do it because if some of you guys follow my Instagram, I had some shoulder surgery and I can't pick up more than 5 pounds before you start cranking. As if you can see down here, you're gonna have to feel there's a pinch weld. You weren't on the pinch weld, you were on my thing. Now you should be able to go up. Don't worry, you'll start feeling the car go up. There you go. There you go, I just showed her the new way to jack. Easier, huh? Yeah. Alright, so now we got the jack stand. We're going to put that under it. Keep going. You still have a lot more ways to... A little bit more? Okay, yes, it's in there. Jack stand's under now. Do you remember how to lower it?
The squealy thingy.
Yes, the screw thingy. But you gotta remember, you gotta do it slow.
So it's already positioned, right?
Yes, the jack stand's on there. You gotta do it slow though. Use both hands. Turn it very. I mean, yeah, that's good enough. You're good.
How slow?
It's slowish. Okay, now you can drop that all the way. Don't turn it too far out because that will come out.
Okay.
Turn it tight. Alrighty, so now, car's jacked, jack stands are on, car's nice and solid. Time to take off the wheels. We got that thing. Have you ever used one?
No, it's not on.
No, you push it.
I did.
Oh, well, it's probably locked. Now push it. Okay, it's going to be the 19mm socket.
Do you realize there's two sockets?
There's two sockets, a 21mm and a 19mm.
This is 19.
Yeah, that's 21.
Okay.
It has them on the side. So, let me show you. Let me do one to show you. Impact socket, right? Goes on. It's gonna freak you out for a little bit, but you gotta hold it and it'll come off. Ready? Off.
That is your socket.
It might get stuck, so you're gonna have to take it off. Put it back on the thing. Slight thread, not much. Shake it. Comes off. They're a little rusted, so they're a little sticky. You gotta push down on it, not too hard. Now go. Okay. Go ahead and pull it.
Wait.
No, you got it. Pull up. There you go. Drop. There you go. See? It's a heavy ass wheel, huh? Okay, now we just grab the wheel spacer. Alright, so wheel spacer. Here you go. Now, here, I got your Starbucks.
So these holes
line up with this, yeah. Perfect. Now, these, you're gonna take these off. These will go right here.
Okay.
Okay?
But like by hand or?
Yes. So, good thing you asked that too. And for a lot of people that don't know, whenever you start anything with threads, you always want to start by hand.
Okay.
Because I've learned from experience, if you just start right away with an impact gun with a socket on there like that, you'll cross. Okay. Yes. So, once these are on like this, same thing. You're gonna get the impact and zap them all the way down.
Okay.
Okay. Damn, look at that. That's a big spacer. After we're done with this one, we'll put the wheel on, go from there. Then we'll time lapse the other side. Put that side on. Drop the car.
Broken alone, I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near.
Alrighty, so we just lowered the car, drop it back down. Honestly, the fitment is actually pretty good. But my thing that I was scared of was that the tire was going to sit over the fender, because I do not have a stock front tire. I have a 275/35 in the front. And in the rear, as if you can see, sticks out and it pokes a little bit. In the rear, I do have a 295 in the rear with a spacer also, so it does sit, I mean, as if you can see, it does sit kind of close, and the rear is lowered also. Honestly, doesn't look bad. You like it?
I love it.
Looks pretty good. Let me check this out here. That sits really good. I love it. It looks really good. Front does still need to settle a little bit, but not much. So once I drive around, it'll settle and everything. For those of you guys that don't know and don't follow us on Instagram, my girlfriend got a 2017 Ruby Red Premium 5.0 non-track pack. So other than that, came up on a really good deal, so she bought it. Now on this car, it's going to be the basic setup. So it's going to get wheels, exhaust, X-pipe, axle back, and a cold air intake. Now she is, the first mod probably going to be is that intake. She is going to get my intake that's on the car right now. I did get a PMAS. Whatever. I did get a PMAS. This car obviously will be on the channel. It's going to be a basic bolt-on setup for most people that are getting into Mustangs and don't know what to do and don't know how to work on them. She is going to work on it. Yep. She was the one that actually helped me with my car, and that's only because I had shoulder surgery, so I can't really do much. And it was a good learning experience for you. So, like I said, X-pipe, axle back, wheels, lowering, intake, everything it will get, the basic setup. Yeah, so look out for those videos. Rollers will be posted most likely on Instagram first. So if you're not following us on Instagram, I'm going to give you obviously the Miss Third one, and then I will give you her Instagram because she will be posting some of hers.
My car is slowly going to get posted on there.
Yes, so we'll see. I mean, like I said, she's only had the car for about 2-3 months because you got it in November. So about 2-3 months she's had the car. We'll get videos of her driving and everything. Racing my car maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Handing out the gap.
If I hand up.
But we'll see, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Some major updates coming for this. Major updates. Wrap this video up, guys. Back again. We'll see you later. Have a good day. Later.